Alright, today's video, a demo of auto drive triple 12 volt adapter. My car only has one 12 volt port. When I go on my road trips, I like to run 3 different accessories. So let's go ahead and try this out right now. Give it a test run while I run errands. If you have wire OCD, this might drive you crazy. It looks horrible. GPS, dash cam, MP3 player. Okay, clears the parking brake at least. It's pretty cluttered, but at least I'm able to run everything. Let me go ahead and see if I blow any fuses now. Dash cam running, GPS running. Want some good tunes? Some of you may know that tune. So it works. I mean, everything I'm using is like 1 watt. I think this is rated for 40 watts combined. I saw it somewhere, but yeah, port output 40 watts max. So what, 120? Could this thing run 120? So yeah, my little accessories here are probably a watt or 2, so this is no problem. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do though. I mean, it clears the parking brake, but I'm probably gonna run it in the glove box and see how that works. See if the cable is long enough. Just 3M it into the glove box so it's not so cluttered looking. As always, parking OCD. No parkings across the street that were suitable for me. Parking OCD victory. I was talking to my friend Steve about this. Still see a lot of these rolling around here in California. 90s pickup. I'll do a little compilation of how many of these I still see around. I went ahead and 3M taped it. That's what it looks like. So it's a lot cleaner now.